This next problem is a number properties problem in disguise. So the problem asks, which of the following could be the sum of two different prime numbers that are both greater than 2? Well, let's first ask ourselves, what are those numbers? Well, the first one is 3, then 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. So we don't actually have to check, though, the sum of all of these different prime numbers together to check which ones add up to these possible answers. So what could we do? Well, first we need to understand that all prime numbers greater than 2 are odd. So really what we're asking here is, what is the sum of two odd numbers? The reason why that is important is because if you look at the list, you can see that many of them, most of them are odd, and only 2 of them are even. And we know for sure from understanding number properties that an odd number plus an odd number is guaranteed to be even. If you wanted to check that, you can just ask yourself, is 1 plus 1 odd or even? Well, it's obviously 2. That works with multiplication as well and subtraction. If you ever wanted to know if the sum or the product of two different numbers was odd or even, just ask yourself, is 1 or 2, replacing the odd number or the even number, does that give you a solution that's odd or even? It is going to be consistent across all numbers, no matter how big it is. Any odd number plus any other odd number is guaranteed to be even. That's the point, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Well, looking at the answer choices, we can see that there are only 2 of them that are actually even. The number 4 and the number 14. Well, 4 is the sum of 2 and 2, which is a prime number, but it asks for 2 different prime numbers. Another point, though, is it doesn't just ask for 2 different prime numbers. It also asks for prime numbers that are greater than 2. Well, that leaves out 4. That really just leaves us with 14. And the final point I want to make is, in the GRE, oftentimes you can logically determine what the answer must be without even knowing exactly why it's that answer. You know, we didn't even check which are the 2 prime numbers that add up to 14, but we can know for sure through process of elimination that 14 must be the answer, because we've eliminated all odd answers and we've eliminated 4. But just so you know, the 2 prime numbers are 3 and 11.
Hi, I'm Justin, co-founder and CTO of Achievable. If you've enjoyed this video, you'll love our GRE course. Achievable GRE includes everything you need to get a top score. Our comprehensive online textbook, videos just like this one on dozens of key topics, a built-in study planner to keep you on track, an essay grader with instant feedback to improve your writing, thousands of drillable review quizzes, and plenty of full-length practice exams. Our course is competitively priced, and you can try it out for free to see if our instructional style is the right fit for you. Follow the links below to get started.